Let's dive into the 10 best places to visit in Turkey that will leave you in awe. First up, we have Istanbul, where East meets West. Don't miss the iconic Hagia Sophia and the bustling Grand Bazaar. Next, we can't forget about Cappadocia, famous for its fairy chimneys and hot air balloon rides at sunrise. Then there's Pamukkale, with its stunning white travertine terraces, and Ephesus, where ancient ruins tell stories of the past. And let's not overlook the turquoise waters of Antalya and the unique landscapes of Gorim National Park. Each destination offers something special that we can't wait to experience. Drop your favorite in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel tips and adventures.